The pointy fruition of my good intentions is tearing through my skin and causing a deep abrasion and fracturing my skull in resemblance to a deadly laceration. I can sense gallons of blood dripping down, but not a single stain is seen in my increasingly defective pillow. I'm still bleeding, but I opt to fight fire with fire in hopes I show I'm alright, so I end up poking myself with the tip of my pen. በቀን ብዛት ይበልጥ የጨለመው ጠባቡ ክፍሌን ለብቻው የወረረው ከልክ በላይ ተስሞ ሊያልቅ ከደረሰው መርዛማ ሲጃራ የተሰደደ ብርሃን ነው። ዳሩ ግን እኔ ጢስ የሚባል አላጤስም። ብሸሸው የሚከተለኝ ሳልበድል የሚበቀለኝ በኑሮ መስተንግዶ የመጣው ፈተና እንግድነቱን በአዲስ መልክ እያቃና ከኪሱ ያወጣውን ሮዝማን ይለኩስና ሳምባይን አቁስሎ ትንፋሽን ቁና ቁና እንዲል ያደርግና እየመራኝ ወደ ብራና በደሉን በብርሃን ይነግዳል። All this trauma, all this... I simmer down before I say anything else. I am in a state between calm and myself. My rage is being replaced with insurmountable levels of despair that simply cannot be repaired. My blood still drops down. I grieve at the wastage, lest the discontinuation of my bloodline whenever I fail in the matter of the very thing that pumps that fluid throughout my body. But my vile vice is surprisingly kind enough as he provides light that suffices for my eyes to be set towards the parchment. The parchment then meets pen, and that breeds to a poem that reeks of mediocrity, and the mediocrity is uttered towards the packed stage. Applause, ovations, post-performance appreciations, greetings, address exchanges follow, yet all I hear are the whispers present as seashells, ones that sound like all the sweet bullshit you said to my ears. Emptiness has ensued. Apathy takes charge. ፊቴ የተነጠፈው ቄጤማ ላይ ያለ ረከቦት በኋላ ከሚይዘው ጀበና የሚፈልቀውን እንፋሎት ሳስብ ትዝ አለኝ ያደረስኩት ጸሎት። ዓመት በዓልን እንደ አዘቦትን ደግሞ ያለ አግራሞት የተሞላ ዱካካም ያሰት ሕይወት ወዳችን ቋጥሮ የኖረውን ሐሞት እያስተፋ ቀስ በቀስ ወደ ሞት ከሚያደርስ ድብርት ለመውጣት መንበርከክ ያደረስኩት እንባን ያቀላቀለ ጸሎት ታወሰኝ። My prayers remain unanswered, or perhaps I was told to live within my malady. My nicotine-addicted vice will keep smoking the Rothmans even though I dissociate from any addictions. I'll let him do that though, for the minuscule flame coming from his cigarette burn lights my house whenever the wind blows away my candles through the windows of the hut I keep taking down in the name of renovation. You know I'll always catch up when you think you're a step ahead. Sincerely, your shadow.